the fifth way that you can build trust at the front desk to help your patients have better health outcomes and fill your office with more great patients. The fifth way is people want to be understood. Patients want their care to be understood and they want the right questions asked. A great way to do that is with surveys. So if you develop surveys that are specific to patient conditions and they're simplified, a lot of patients will respond positively to that. So if you ask a headache patient, hey, can you fill out some information? What type of headache? What triggers are there? What time of day? When do you notice your headaches occurring? Do they occur on vacation or not? Collecting information like that and then later discussing it builds a bond between the provider and the patient. Now, we don't want to overwhelm our patients with too many questions, but very specific questions to their condition help them feel heard and understood. And it's just like Stephen Covey said, seek first to understand and then be understood. Help those patients feel like they're understood. And the research around autoimmune disease would say that's a huge step in helping those people feel like they are getting care. Unfortunately, in autoimmune disease, the research says that it takes 7 years for doctors to get to an accurate diagnosis. 7 years. That's 7 years of that person going to the doctor and feeling like they're not heard and not understood. It would be pretty frustrating and heartbreaking if that was the case with you. So instead, when somebody says they have a condition, use surveys that you can send out through two-way text messaging, simply using our software. Send out surveys that collect more information. Also, patients, when they fill out those surveys at home, tend to be more accurate than when they're filling them out in the doctor's office. You can use that for good. That's my fifth way of improving the trust in your patient relationship at the front desk.